Hey everyone, it's Ron with Narilla Software Solutions with another overview. And on this video, we're going to look at domain leads from a 50,000 foot view. We're not going to go into tutorials because we have those for you also. This is just going to be an overview of what domain leads is and what it can do. So just before we get into it, I just want to kind of let you know that basically with any business, they need leads. Any business needs leads, right? I mean, so without any leads, there is no business. So how do you get leads? We have some of the tools for you that are really, really awesome, and domain leads is one of them. This is a major way for affiliates and vendors to get leads. So let's take a look right from the top here. I'm going to go in over here to the profile, show you how you can set that up. It's pretty straightforward how it works, and you can kind of just set it up, your name, your email address, your last name. You can change your password here, your payment information, and membership. As you can see, we have in the basic package 50 leads per day, and you can then upgrade to that as well. I'll show you what that looks like because it's really kind of important depending on what you're doing in your business. Now, our software, we're offering the basic is part of our package, the $97 a month package with all 8 pieces of software. So it's a lot better deal there, but you can actually upgrade if you want to, and we have links for you there as well on how to do that. To get the unlimited or the 500 a day, depending on what you're needing. But let's go ahead and get into domain leads and see exactly what it can do for you. So if I click on some search domain at the top here, you can see I have 2 choices here. I've got newly registered domains or to be expired domains. We're going to take a look at newly registered domains, and what we're going to do is today is May 9, 2020 that I'm recording this, so I'm just going to go back a couple days here and just take a look and see what we have available to us. I'm going to leave the domain name empty, the keyword search there, and I'm just going to search for .coms. Let's do that United States. Let's keep it there, and I'll leave the state and zip code open. So let's go ahead and do a search and see what kind of results we get. Now, one of the cool things about this is you see here that I've got 872 leads just in the past couple days. I mean, this is just a couple of days of newly registered domain names. So these are hot, right? So these are people that are looking to grow their business. They're looking to expand their business, and they've just created these domain names. So one of the things you can do is you can see that you have a lot of information here, but it's not available to you right now because as with limited 50, you have to go to the bottom here, and if I scroll over, you can unlock these. So if I unlock this one, for example, you're going to get the information from there, and the ticker counts up 1. So I can see that this is the registrant and their email address. I get a phone number, I get a date created and the date expires, and even the registrant company. Let's unlock a couple more of these and just take a look at a couple other things here and see what we can show you. So we've unlocked these, so I can scroll back over and take a look here. A couple of things here. So this lock here indicates the number of domain leads users that have unlocked this domain name. And then also this one here is the number of domain names that this particular person has registered to them. So you can see here if I scroll over or scroll down actually, I can see that this particular user has 4 domain names. And if I click on that, I can actually see what they are if I want to unlock them. So let's just unlock one of those real quick and take a look and see, because what we're looking for are leads. We're looking for people that might have similar interests in business that we do and we have, whether it's a product or service, or maybe it's a partnership program that you're looking for where you can send referrals to them and they can send referrals to you. We're looking for people that have the same likes and interests. So let's go ahead and look at our unlocked leads. We should have a couple in there now because we've unlocked a couple of them, and we can kind of keep track of these as well. We can download these as a CSV file for us for future reference, and we have access to a lot of good information. I want to do another search now because I want to do one more specific than our broader search. So I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to go back to, let's just say, April 1st and to today, okay? And I want to do like this is going to be within the domain name. So whatever keyword I put in here is going to be entailed or included in the domain name. So let's just say that we are looking for something with money. Okay, that's the example they're using. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am going to look at only .coms in the United States. And I'm not going to be state or zip code specific. So I'm going to go ahead and click on search now. And when it comes up, it's going to give me a lot of results. It's going to be, this is going to be helpful for someone in this case, because we are searching on money. It's going to be helpful for someone who is maybe a CPA, maybe a financial advisor, maybe somebody who deals with money on a regular basis, and help them get more leads to their business. So again, I will scroll down here, I will scroll over, and I want to unlock a few of these just to kind of take a look at what we've uncovered here. So I'll just do maybe 3 or 4 of these and just take a look at what we can find. So this is very helpful because really what you find is good information here. I'll scroll over again, and so let's see here. You know, we've got this cashmoneymatrix.com, and you know, Aaron is the registrant. We've got a phone number, and you can tell if it's a cell phone or a landline. You can actually filter that as well. So let's just say you want to sort by let's see, domain name count. This is someone who has a domain name count greater than 1, let's just say, and domain unlocked greater than 2. We went over those, and then also whether the phone number is mobile or landline, you can sort them out as well. Let's just try this and see what happens. This will kind of help narrow it down, because if you want mobile, this might be a great opportunity for you to be able to we didn't have any on the mobile there because it's not available. But anyhow, if you get a good list there and you do have some mobile, that might be a good opportunity for I'm not exactly sure what's going on here. Hang on. Oh, you know what? Okay, let me take these out of here. Take this back out and this back out, because this list doesn't have those, so we're not going to use them. And let's go ahead and apply the filter and get back to that original list that we had. So if you had mobile though, and you did have a good list and you only wanted mobile, you could use them as an SMS text messaging type situation there, where you could send text messages, or you could, you know, send them messages to see if they would be interested in receiving your text messages. A lot of good stuff here. You can see that this is really, really straightforward to use. Like I said, my searches, I refine them too good, too far down. But you can actually do a search. You can search a domain, and you can look at to be expired domain names as well. A lot of good gold could be found here if you find a good domain name that of an interest of yours, and then you can actually build a website on that as well. So a lot of good information here. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Again, this is Ron with Norilla Software Solutions. Look forward to being a part of your business. Thanks.